All right, let's have an example to explain stoichiometry. All right, so example one, okay, the amount of molecules contained in 2 moles of oxygen is dash. The amount of molecules contained in 2 moles of oxygen is dash. They were given some values in the question. This is the relative atomic mass of oxygen, 16. They were given the Avogadro's constant, 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so if you are new to the Avogadro's constant, it is basically this number. So a mole is a quantity in chemistry, just like you have quantity in the market for foodstuff like the Rika and paint of rice, paint of beans. The mole is a quantity used by chemists. So it's a quantity that has 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, a very large number. Alright, so still on this example, the amount of molecules contained in 2 moles of oxygen is dash. So we're given these values to help us solve our question. This again is the relative atomic mass of oxygen, and this is the Avogadro's constant. Okay, so this Avogadro's constant applies to formula units. Formula units is a general name for atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, what have you. So 1 mole of atoms contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, so 1 mole of molecules is basically, this is a very large amount of molecules, very large amount of ions, very large amount of electrons. Just like a pint of rice contain a large amount of seeds of rice, you have to agree. Pint of beans, large amount. So that is the mole amount. All right, so let's break this example down. So we are told to find the amount of molecules contained in 2 moles of oxygen. So we know that 1 mole of any substance, contains the Avogadro number of formula units. So now in this case of this question, we're talking, the formula units is molecules. 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, the amount of molecules contained in 2 moles of oxygen should be what? 2 times this, by direct proportion. If 1 mole contains this, then 2 moles should be 2 times what? 2 times 1, right? So 2 times what 1 mole contains. So 2 times this. This N subscript is the symbol for Avogadro's number. So 2 times 6.02 times that will give you 1.2 times 10 to the power 24 molecules. Okay, so that's the answer.